What up, everybody? Chef Chan here, on the weekend, regular cookout. I'm outside of the school this time. I'm here with my two nephews, Isaiah and Adrian. We're doing a live food tasting because some of y'all be testing me saying that I be cooking the bad food at work or whatever. But now we're gonna test it here with live kids to see what it's if it's good or not. What's your YouTube handle, man? Say your YouTube handle, nephew. What is
Sonic
it?
16.
Sonic 16. That's where you can find his YouTube handle. Man, get off the camera, man. It's my other nephew over here. He want to be in the video, but he want to be on his phone at the same time. So since you a kid, the same age as the kids that I be cooking for at school, we're going to see if I really got it or I not. So if I got it, say I got it. If I don't, say I don't. Alright? Alright. What you want to start off with? We got, hold on. Let me tell the people what we got here. We got dirty rice right here. We got rice. We got chicken, livers. We got ground Italian sausage. We got celery. We got bell peppers. We got onions. Right here, we got a Greek salad. We got spinach. We got tomatoes. We got red onions. We got bell peppers. We got feta cheese and lemon sauce. Right there, we got some baked beans. It got onions, bell peppers, chicken sausage, baked beans in it. Right there, we got a barbecue rib, barbecue sauce, pork rib, seasoned to perfection. We got a chicken croquette right there, seasoned, fried to perfection. And we got pasta salad. We got tomatoes, parmesan. We got red onions. We got bell peppers. It's all in there. It's tasting good. We got lettuce. We got salt. We got pepper. And right now we about to see if I can really cook for kids or if I can't. This is in real time. So what you want to start off with?
Cheetos.
Alright, we're gonna start off with some Cheetos because we've been eating these for a while now.
Good.
These are good?
Yeah.
I like them too. These are baked white cheddar Cheetos. They taste good. White cheddar. What you give them? 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Which one? What number? 10 is the highest number. 1 is the
I'll
worst.
say 9.
He gives these a 9. Alright? We'll give these a 9. What you want to start off with next?
Let's see.
The Greek salad?
Yeah.
Alright, grab it. So again, this got feta cheese, it got bell peppers, it got tomatoes, it got red onions, it got cucumbers, it got lemon juice, it got canola oil, salt, pepper, and cucumbers. Taste it, see what it's hitting for. Scared, huh? What's it hitting for? Be honest.
I'll say
Like it or what?
1.
A 1? A 1? Why? It's hitting. A 1 is crazy. A 1 so far, guys. Alright, what you want to start out with now? Clear your palate? You want to clear your palate? Not looking too good, guys. I got a 1 so far on my Greek salad.
Pick one. Pick one.
Let's start with dirty rice. It's right here in front of us. This is dirty rice. Pork sausage, chicken livers, celery, bell peppers, onions, and white rice. Salt and pepper. Tastes like Popeyes.
A 10.
A 10?
That's real good.
Wow! 10. So far I got a 1 and a 10. What you want to do next? We got chicken, rib, pasta salad.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. This got pasta, bell peppers, onion, celery, mayo, salt, pepper, Italian dressing. Wow! A 10? You sure?
It's really good.
I'm talking about baby boy. A 10 out here. 2 10s and a 1 so far. Alright, I'm gonna pick this time. Let's go for this barbecue chicken. Let's try that. Alright. This is regular store-bought chicken quarters, leg and thigh combination. It's just been hit with some seasoning salt, so a little bit of oil, barbecue sauce, and we cooked it in the grill. 350 for about 30 minutes. Now we seeing what it's hitting for. I got a whole leg, I got a whole thigh, he got a leg.
No, a 10.
A 10, are you for real or are you just pulling my leg?
It's real good.
It's really good?
Yeah.
I guess I can really cook, God. They say kids are the most honest, so he's saying out of 4 dishes, I'm at a 10. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You still want to enjoy it or you want to move on?
Let's move on.
Sure?
Yep.
What you want to move on to next? We got ribs. What's that? Beans?
Yeah.
Okay. These are some cowboy beans. These are baked beans, turkey sausage. The beans are pinto beans, ground beef, barbecue sauce, andouille sausage, and brown sugar. It's been cooked on the grill with onions and peppers for about 10 minutes for 375-ish. So we about to see if he likes these or not. Remember, he's the same age as the kids that I cook for every day. So I want to see if I really got it or if I don't. Because y'all be seeing me posting videos, but y'all view it, but y'all don't subscribe. Now I want y'all to subscribe to me and him. So do I got it or not? What's these hitting for? 1 through 10.
It's really spicy, but it's good. 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Another 10. So we got another 10. And so far, we're moving right along. I ain't more than 1 proof. He's moving too fast. Okay. What we got left? We got pork and we got ribs. Which you want to shot for?
Pork.
Pork? Alright, go ahead. So this is a grilled pork loin. It's been hit with a multi-purpose season, salt, pepper, onion, garlic, a little paprika, cayenne, and it's been grilled for about 45 minutes, and we about to see what it's hitting for.
10. That's real good.
Are you just saying that? You sure it's a 10? Nobody's saying you a 10, right?
No, it's 10.
Alright, hold on. Before we finish that, we got another version of the pork right here. This pork is hit with a little bit of sauce. It's a stir-fried teriyaki sauce. Same pork. See, let's see what it's hitting for. You got the big piece. The little piece is for you. Alright, he got the big piece. Let me taste the big piece. What's your head for?
10. It's
Man.
real good.
I don't know if he's pulling my leg or if I'm just that good. You sure it's a 10? Alright.
How you cannot charge it? This piece is almost gone.
Yeah, I know you. Hey, you got the big piece, and your piece is gone before mine. Man, give me that. Alright, now we even. Alright. Barbecue rib left.
Oh.
This is a barbecue rib, pork rib, barbecue sauce. Been cooked in the grill for about 25-30 minutes. Tender, seasoned perfection. We about to try it out. Toast. Bing.
That's good.
How you like it? Is it
10,
tender?
10, 10, 10.
Is it tender? Like, could you
Yeah.
bite through it without struggling?
Yeah.
If you was at school right now and some of your friends was here, what you think they would be like?
They would like it.
For real? So you think I got a career in what I'm doing right here, right?
Yeah.
So I shouldn't quit my day job? Alright. Because what I do, I cook for kids. Alright. Last but not least, we got a fried chicken croquette here. It got onions, bell peppers, cheese is breaded, eggs, salt, and pepper to perfection. I want you to be honest. If it's a 1, say 1. If it's a 2, say 2. If it's a 3, say. It looks what?
But I'll try it.
Let's try it.
I'm kind of good.
It's kind of good. What you give it?
I'll say an 8.
An 8? Yeah, because I was gonna say like a 7.5, but he said 8. Hey, that's good too. I think right now you want to move into a dessert, or what you trying to do?
No, dessert.
Oh, dessert.
Yes.
What we got for dessert? Peach cobbler right here, guys. So here we got flour, sugar, butter, peaches, and cinnamon. That's it. Simple, easy, quick. Here, choose your weapon. That's all peaches. You ain't gonna get none of the cobbler. You got peach, no cobbler. There we go.
10.
That's a 10. Oh, word, that's a 10.
Real good.
Alright, we got another kid here. We got a high school kid here. Bam, we got a high school kid here. Try this out.
Yeah.
Here,
Right
we
now.
got a high school kid here. Try this out. Don't want to be on camera. What you give it? 1 through 10. Be honest.
You're gonna say 10.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
A 9? I take that. Yo, guys, what's this?
Oh, great.
Show us. What we look like? We real food critics. We real food critics right here. So again, this is Spider-Man 16 on YouTube.com. Spit it out. Say your YouTube.
It was Sonic 16.
Oh shit. I'm sorry, guys. Sonic 16. My bad. That wasn't nothing, man. I ain't trying to slight my nephew, man. Sonic 16 at YouTube.com. And this is Chef Chan at YouTube.com. Chef Chan 007. Let me say my whole handle so y'all can find me out there. We gave an honest few reviews. Today I cooked all this on the grill for a little get together for the family. And I decided to get honest reviews from my nephew. So as y'all can see, I cooked about 5-6 dishes. And out of those dishes, 5 out of them got a 10. So I know what I'm doing. So follow your boy on YouTube at which is Sonic16.com and ChefChan007.com. And if you guys like this video, if you get what? 5,000 likes, we do another video, me cook a few and he reviewing it. So with that being said, YouTube, man, we out of here. Love y'all and peace.